Alright, so now we have $500. We're going to do a $100 spin, which means we only get 5 spins. Let's see if we can do this.
Stick it in there.
Yes.
$100 Buffalo Inferno.
5 spins.
Looking for that wheel. We get that wheel and we're golden.
Yeah, spin. Ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed we get it. Ready?
Here we go. Alright. I got the wheel feature. Come on. Anything but the mini, please. Come on, Mansion. Make it all the way around. Do it for me. Do it for me. Oh, okay. Make it. Alright. Alright. Look for that big fat hat. Come on, big one. Give me the big one. Right there. No, no, no. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Okay. Alright, that's pretty good. Start with 9. Come on, hats. Where you at? There's one. One's better than nothing. Alright. Another game. Alright, let's get some more. Come on, hats. All down there. Oh boy. Come on, 2 more. Come on, give me some gold ones, will ya? 2 more left. Oh boy, cream. Yeah boy. I think it's as well. Yeah, I got 5. Wood anyway. Oh well. I was thinking I might get a gold or 2, but I didn't. Alright, those decent numbers. Come on, point. Give me a minor. Point. Nope. What's that, 260 something? 270. Alright. We'll take that 270 win. Man, I thought it'd be better than that. Come on, one more. Come on. Alright, my bell's gonna give me. Alright, I'm gonna cash out. Thanks for watching.
What do I do?
Alright, we're over here on a GT game. Good. Right here, fine. Pick a game, you can pick.
Which one do you think? I don't know.
Well, I've been doing the one on the left. I've never done the one on the right. You can try it. Alright, here we go. Try to get that gold one right in the middle of the collect them all. That's the bottom, I mean. 2. Move you up a row, I think. Come on, give it to us, will you? There we go. Collect them all. Did you get another row? on, go pot. Come on, go pot. Come on, go pot. Dang. Oh boy. Hope you get more done. Come on, go pot. Do it. Three more left. Yeah, you get everything, but it adds them all up, which is nice.
Is that enough?
Yep, you get them all.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. It's a good win. Just like a... I do it here. Bet 277. Should have been better, but we'll take it. Thanks for watching.
Alright, so now we have $500. We're going to do a $100 spin, which means we only get 5 spins. Let's see if we can do this.
Stick it in there.
Yes.
$100 Buffalo Inferno.
5 spins.
Looking for that wheel. We get that wheel and we're golden.
Yeah, spin. Ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed we get it. Ready?
Here we go. Come on, spin. Oh,
Oh,
first
so
spin would have been
close.
fantastic.
It would have been amazing.
Two more. One more.
Okay, that was like really stupid.
That's a big fail. Buffalo Inferno killed us again. Alright, thanks for watching.
Same feature or the other one?
Alright, Eureka Treasure Train.
Can I do that one?
Yeah, that's good. You can get a whole bunch of them. Alright, fill them up now. Here we go. Huge one. Get the carts. Alright, you can get one pretty much anywhere.
Yeah.
Three more. There we go. That's a good one.
Big one, right?
That's a 25 and the minor. Okay.
Okay, what's the minor?
Two more. One down there, one down there. One left.
Come on, do it. Oh.
Hey. Touch it.
Wow.
Come on, minor. Come on, minor. Yeah. That's it. 28 bucks.
$86.
$86.80.
Yeah.
Alright, Eureka Treasure Train. Good stuff. Alright, we're cash crop. Cash crops. You got 3 of the bars. You got a big crop feature
Which is the best?
or the bonus.
Let's go with that. I don't know.
6 corns. Alright. to get the grand, I think. Oh boy, you only got one left.
Give me a card.
Come on, top right. Dang. Well, you can get the mini, possibly. Those will be money, then you get the first. Alright.
There we go. Oh, how adorable.
$1? That. Come on, Minnie. Oh my god, really? 25 bucks? That was horrible. You got 7.
25 bucks?
Alright, 85 bucks. That's it. Take it. Thanks for watching. That's right. Check the volume.
Yeah. 21 bucks? Okay.
Buckle.
Oh, yeah.
Check the volume. Okay.
3 bucks. Come on, Buffalo.
Come on, do it. Hey, got it. Good. That's 200 bucks there.
Good job.
Coin.
Oh, train. Bring us a train.
Ooh, that's a big one. Dang, that was 300. Dang it.
Oh, another good train.
30 bucks. Good. We can get a bunch of them.
Like, we need like 100.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
120. That's it.
Come on, Buffalo. You get better than that.
Hey, that's good. Got it.
Got it.
All right.
You
First
can do
spin. Cleopatra. We're gonna be long. Think you got a sound?
Cleopatra. 15 free games.
15 free games on Cleopatra.
All right, here we go.
Let's see what happens here.
What are you betting? How much?
9, so it's only 225. Come on, Cleo, do something good. I got some kings. This one got 0 sound. Made a bunch of Cleos all the way across.
Wow.
Ain't doing nothing. Oh, I got scattered. 2 of them. Oh, reels go all different ways.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. I ain't one crab though. Come on. There we go. The Cleos. 3 jacks. One more. Fit. 231 quarters. How much is that? It's a great win. I got a little coin shower. 57.75. Yeah, I'll take it. I didn't bet much.